We're finna go join somebody's party.
We sure can.
Cause you know black people don't be knowing. And they look like they got good food. Hold up, cause they look like they people got money. They got some good cars.
Before shenanigans. Okay. So hey guys, it's Elena. I'm back with a banger with my best friend as usual. Oh my god. So we got pizza. And we got McDonald's drink. So yeah. We just basically got pizza and just gonna be like a mukbang. We're just gonna probably listen to music, whatever floats to our boat.
No, we gonna talk about this one person that stay over here. We gonna do it to where like you can't hear the sound, cause I'm finna tell you. Don't even play with me like that. Like she really had me messed up. Cause girl,
You know.
so girl, what's really tea? No shoes on. She come down the stairs, or she go that way and she go down, and she go in the back of the building. What you want some mouse for me? Oh, I think that's for the pool.
You got a pool?
Not pool, girl. The thing with the football.
Oh, okay. I to say, what a pool like?
And they dressed in regular clothes. We most definitely go.
I think we should.
But all the children leaving out and going to the park. Oh, y'all trying to be hot? Yeah, y'all trying to be hot.
You want me to ask what they got going on?
Hey, yo, y'all came from the rack? What they got going on over there?
What's wrong with her? Like, she wouldn't even know the picture.
Oh, okay.
She said that grandma turned 80. I know.
Oh, he fired. He's so little.
Ooh. Whoa! Stop.
This boy look about. Doing right there, he black.
I can't really see. Too far. Oh, who you on the phone with?
Him look grown. Y'all, this is the pizza. Thumbnail. I'm not gonna touch all the pieces.
You saw that? What? Wait, hold on. You saw that?
No. So what?
I swear something came to your door. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping.
I was sick.
Why she
You just
hiding?
not hear what I said.
Say it one more time.
I'm just gonna say it out loud. You just gonna fuck it out. I said my.
Cause what? I don't get it. What? I don't get it.
Y'all get it.
Oh my god. Oh.
I want you to touch this one. They gave me 2 meats and the rest just cheese.
Which I want to talk about?
People.
Some people. That park popping. This my song, y'all. Why can't you agree with me for once?
One time. Chill. I'm getting mine like fine wine measured in time.
Let's talk about people. For real. What he going like that? Like, he really fired.
Oh, he might be going to Generate Homecoming. But he looks so small.
Generate Homecoming today? Oh, I think Franklin Jr. had Homecoming today.
That's probably where he's going.
Show it.
But I think Generate wants tonight too because they had Generate Children in the nail shop.
I think it is.
Oh, y'all got my nails done. It's a little greasy. It's old people color, sorry.
Let me tell y'all about them little. Ooh, y'all hot. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay? And y'all need to leave.
I pull up on you, then put it in with patience. I'm good when we got it without no expectation. But good as a title when Shawty been away. Let me get it straight, let my tongue be paint. It's already wet. Have you had a brainstorm? Or everywhere a nigga take you, just know to my face good. Modify your energy so your bank and your skin glow. Maxfield, let it fly. I be up in there a lot. Just to show you I don't care, go wear it to that nigga out. We have supreme confidence. If we good, that's good enough. Wow. Yeah.
Why can't you look me for once? Maybe I can give you a chance. Living on a tragedy.
I used to be so shy to eat in front of people now. I really don't care. But yeah, y'all, I really appreciate y'all. All my little fans. I don't call y'all fans. All my little supporters.
They're gonna see all her little No. But one day we did have a random person come up to us she was like, oh my, I know that was a boy. That was definitely a boy. He was like, oh my God, I seen y'all little video. And he was giving us video ideas. He probably just liked Elena, but.
Let's talk about people with no edges and no kitchen.
Like, I was just saying, people don't have no edges, but when you don't have no kitchen,
No roof, no side, no nothing.
it's bad.
I don't know. Stop talking before that happened to me.
I want to laugh at her still. I'm gonna be like, you look like her.
That'd be funny if I insert a picture. They probably know who we talking about anyway.
They do.
And it's like, she looks like she carried all her life. Like,
You can't listen to this on camera. Look, my mama.
handle me? Who gonna handle me? He's a member of the team. How is that possible?
She only gave herself paper towels.
Cause they only had one. They might have another one in here.
You don't have that shit.
what I'm drinking.
I basically ate this whole box by myself. I was at the gym. I was working out.
Working out, all right. You was riding bicycles, huh?
You know the little bicycles they got at the gym? We could ask me because I can hear myself chewing. I told you about.
Yeah. But you didn't show me.
Then I'm sorry, they usually be always outside.
I guess we came out too late. Or maybe they're getting ready for their little homecoming. I think homecoming is tonight.